Okay, so npm enableScriptExplorer. Enable an Explorer view of npm scripts when there is no top-level package.json file. So if you have an npm project and you have a package.json file, you will have a scripts object that has where you can write these handles to run these commands. Okay, so if you have a package.json file in the project explorer, actually, you know what, I'm just gonna do something here so that I can show you how this works. So let's just, this doesn't make much sense what I'm gonna do, but it's for the sake of the example. So I'm gonna pull package.json to the root of the folder, and when we reload the window, so if that package.json file was there when we loaded this project, it shows the npm scripts explorer, right? So we have the start and the build. Now obviously this package.json file doesn't make sense here because it pertains to the client. So let's put that there and reload the window, and obviously it's not going to show up. But if we set this to true, it does show up again, and it tells you that this is coming from the client/package.json file. So obviously this is very useful to me, so I'm going to leave this one enabled.